NIS2 is now in effect, and compliance isn't optional. The EU's new cybersecurity directive is already shaping how critical sectors manage their IT and OT risks. If you're in manufacturing, utilities, logistics, or critical infrastructure, you're likely impacted. Octoplant helps you gain visibility into OT assets, automate secure backups, detect vulnerabilities early, recover operations instantly after a breach. Without Octoplant, organizations must demonstrate traceability and integrity of systems, Article 21, which is infeasible without version control and audit trails. Articles 21 and 23 demand rapid recovery and continuity planning. Without automated backups and rollback, recovery times and risks increase drastically. Octoplant makes NIS2 compliance practical, efficient, and sustainable, especially for complex industrial environments with legacy systems and mixed vendor technologies. Turn compliance into competitive advantage. Let's secure your OT environment and simplify NIS2 compliance starting today.